Hey, what's going on, everyone? Josh here with Piano Marvel, and today I am going to be showing you how to try out microphone assessment in Piano Marvel. I know a lot of people have been eagerly awaiting this feature, and I am here today to show you how you can try it out today in Piano Marvel. So first things first, you need to make sure you have Piano Marvel installed. You can see I just installed it from the App Store. This is on my iPad. So obviously, as soon as it opens up, it's going to say, do you want to allow access to the microphone? I'm going to say okay because that's really important for microphone assessment. Now, I already have an account, so I'm going to click continue with Facebook because I have a Facebook account linked to it. So I'm going to log in that way. It's super quick. And then once I do that, what you need to do to enable microphone assessment is you need to go up here to the top right where your name is, and you need to click on Preferences. All right. Now, we have a little trick here to enable microphone. If you triple click right here on the word Preferences, 1, 2, 3, you'll see Developer Tools in the bottom left here opens up. And now it's asking for a password. We have chosen the very unique and secure password, the number 0. And if you do it, you'll see it opens up. From here, I'm just going to toggle on microphone assessment. And now I just need to find a song that we can play to show you how microphone assessment works. So I'm going to go down here to the famous Prelude in C major by J.S. Bach. And one thing that I'm going to do for my setup, just because I am doing things a little fancy for this video, is I'm going to turn on metronome only. If you're using headphones, as you can see, when I press play here, it's going to be the best experience. But I'm just going to do, since I'm playing it through the speakers, I'm going to choose microphone just so that things aren't interacting in weird ways. So now that I've done that, I'm going to press play. Let's see how I do.
1, 2, set, go.
And there we go. As you can see, it did miss a couple notes, so it's not going to be perfect right now. Please forgive us. We are working hard on making microphone assessment awesome. We've been working on it. It's taken a lot longer than we expected, to be honest, but we are excited in the continuing months and years to make this better and better so that you and your students can enjoy Piano Marvel on any device, on any kind of piano. We want to share piano with everyone. Thank you so much for your time today. I hope you love this and love Piano Marvel more than ever. Thank you so much. Talk to you later.